Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be coming to you guys with a get ready with me slash vlog for the Kanye'S listening event. It's 12 o'clock. I did kind of just get up to go get these packages from downstairs that are my outfits for the day, so I thought that I would just unbox them on camera for you guys. See it say deliver, I try to go get them because I don't need no, mishaps. I just got these mesh biker shorts from Amazon to go with the bodysuit that I got. I hope they fit, but I wanted to get the Skims ones, but of course they was out of stock, so these was the only mesh ones I could really find online. I'm glad this came early. This was actually supposed to come tomorrow, but I ordered some more Vaseline spray. I'm almost out, so I really needed this. Now we're gonna go on to the pieces. Crazy that both of these came because I ordered one because the other one was saying it was delayed and I didn't think it was gonna come on time, but of course they both came. So this is what I ordered. Well, this is how the packaging came. It came with a sticker, which is really cute, and just a little thank you card. I did purchase this dress from Hidden Cult. Came in this little Hidden Cult bag, and this is the dress, you guys. So it just has lace ups on both sides. It's an off-the-shoulder dress. Has their little logo on the tag, and then the back is like lace up as well. The sleeves are detachable, so you could wear it like completely sleeveless, one sleeve, two sleeves, like whatever you want to do. And I love this freaking dress. The quality is really, really good. It's a heavy dress, and the color is like a cream color, which I love right now. So yeah, this is the last package. Okay, I'm back in the bonnet. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Super cute, and it's like magnetic with this little tab. It's so cute, and then it's wrapped inside, you guys. So cute. And then it has this little thank you. This package has been lovingly wrapped by, and then it has their signature on it. The person that wrapped it. I think that's a really cute touch. And then here is my bodysuit. So it's just the Wolford and Adidas collab. It's in an extra small, if you guys were wondering. Also got that dress in extra small. So, and then it just has the picture of the bodysuit on the side. Wolford packaging is always really like, comes like this. So then you just slide it out. And it even has the Wolford and Adidas wrapping on it. Cute. And then here is the bodysuit. So of course you guys will see this on later once I get dressed. This is the back. Has the 3 stripes and the Adidas and Wolford logo right here. I just love the color. I love like the styles, really cute. Gonna give you like the look, but you guys again will see that on later. That's it for the unboxing. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the items, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next clip. All right, y'all, so I cut my 30-inch wig, y'all. I was kind of nervous just off the fact that it was so long, but it was just too thin for my liking, so I was gonna cut it anyway. But now I'm trying to cut it like super short, but I'm scared because like this is the shortest I ever cut my hair. So I'm like, I don't want to do overdo it and then it look dumb. Nothing up. Okay. Yeah, like that. See? That's how I want it. Once I'm done. But of course they gotta work. So I might just wait till Jordan get home. Even though that's really risky. He ain't going. I mean, he knows what straight across looks like, so. I just don't think short hair suits me the best. So like, should I go shorter? I don't know, y'all.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else, let me like you do. That's right on mine, spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is on one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
I'm guessing. Do a look.
Just get this whole part right here. Oh, looks good. Okay guys, so I think that I've decided that I want this side to be like pushed back. Behind the ear maybe, because I don't know, I'm just not sold on like the straight, like just this look. I feel like it's covering my face a little bit and I don't like that. What y'all think? I mean, I know y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me in time, but I'm gonna just see once I finish my makeup. But Jordan just left out to go pick up some clothes and he cut my hair pretty even, if I do say so myself. Kudos to him. And yeah, let's go ahead and do the face.
All day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. watching you. West Coast, West Coast, boy, I've been watching you. West Coast, West Coast, boy, I've been watching you.
So I felt like they tasted better than Casamigos. So we gonna see. And I got some lime juice right here.
Alright.
Yeah. I wanna see if it's better than ginger ale. Shut up, Club.
Take your shot.
Shut up, Club. Take your shot. Jordan on the cut. Your boyfriend could never. His hair is really like giving. I don't know, Bubs just always be giving me Lord Farquaad. So I don't be liking wearing that shit, but it's cute. Damn. I feel that shot. Right, well, I'm taking my second shot because he's playing. Alright, scent of the night is Tom Ford Lost Cherry. And yeah, check in with you guys
And you know I am my son's mother.
Okay guys, so Jordan just carried me from the Mercedes-Benz Stadium to the car because my feet was killing me.
God damn, bro.
He's tired, look. Scale 1 to 10, what did you think?
What, my fucking ass hurts from
No,
walking?
the concert.
Oh, that wasn't no damn concert. That was a A listening party, exactly what he said it was. He walked, he walked around, ain't say no word, just walked around, did a few of these, was on his phone the whole time, nobody else there. We wasted money.
I don't feel like I wasted money.
You don't feel like you wasted money?
No.
Oh, you don't.
Because I haven't been to a concert, listened to none of that in years, so whatever, I ain't pressed about it. We could not even really see him because they didn't have no screens, none of that, but he didn't advertise it as a concert, so I mean, we can't really. The Don Julio Anejo was not given what it was supposed to have gave. So yeah, I spent $50 on that bottle for.
You spent $50 for the last bottle?
Yes. Yeah. Oh look, we're passing the Ferris wheel, guys. In the vlog here, I might try to get a snippet of my full outfit so